I need you to eat the dissected frog. Bakit natin kailangang i-dissect? Pinakasikat dito na idea is Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. And inspired naman siya ng quote by Mark Twain. And you eat that frog, ang major idea nun, kung ano yung pinakamahirap na task, ayun yung una mong gagawin. But my version is eat that dissected frog. Kasi hindi ko naman sinasabing lulukin mo yung buong palaka agad-agad, di ba? You need to dissect it. Bakit natin kailangang i-dissect? It's because big tasks usually feel overwhelming. But small tasks feel doable. So let us say, for example, instead of finish thesis, yes, yung thesis mo siguro yung pinakamalaking task for today. And kapag sasabihin mo sa to-do list mo na finish thesis, ma-overwhelm ka na agad. Hindi ka pa nagsisimula, overwhelmed ka na agad. Unlike kapag, okay, write one paragraph sa chapter 1. So kapag nagawa mo yon, pwede ka makapag-check agad ng something sa iyong to-do list.